For over 60 years, AEC has been the market leader in auxiliary equipment for the plastics industry. AEC TrueTemp temperature control units are ideal for any process requiring accurate temperature control, including injection molding, blow molding, extrusion, and thermoforming. Additionally, TrueTemp TCUs serve the food and beverage, pharmaceutical, packaging, and medical industries. The TrueTemp TC110 family of temperature control units gives users a trio of dynamic options to fit any processor's needs. AEC's TC110 family offers reliability, customization, and advanced smart controls. This family consists of 3 units: the affordable and economical TC110, the historical reliability of the TC120, and the advanced intelligence of the TC130. The TC110 is a cost-effective solution for temperature control with a robust design to meet your basic temperature control requirements. An expanded quick ship program offers most configurations of the TC110 unit available to ship within 24 hours. An open design provides removable side panels to improve its serviceability. A standard Eurotherm controller and common functions are front and center for quick, intuitive operator use. The TC110 is perfect to meet basic application needs. With increased options, customization, and more control features, the TrueTemp TC120 is the industry standard in temperature control units. Built upon more than 60 years of TCU engineering experience, these units provide the historical reliability that customers have come to expect from AEC. The TC120 features a robust sheet metal design under NEMA 12 standards to withstand harsh manufacturing environments. Pressure gauges are positioned at the top, making it easy for the operator to view on standalone or stacked units. With a broad range of heating and cooling capacities and a full line of options including 2 controllers to choose from, the TC120 provides unique customization to fit any application needs. The innovative TrueTemp TC130 and TC131 provide predictive maintenance and intelligent capabilities, proving to be the most advanced temperature control units on the market. The state-of-the-art controls feature color screen HMI, easy-to-navigate screens, remote monitoring capabilities, and multiple communication protocols. The TC130 has built-in intelligence to increase uptime, including pressure adaptive technology, contactor cycle life indication, and cascade control. Pressure adaptive technology prevents unnecessary shutdowns by temporarily reducing temperature if supply water pressure drops. Cascade control allows for more precise temperature control by incorporating the ability to control off of process temperature, not TCU setpoint. Troubleshooting is made easy with USB data logging and remote monitoring, allowing you to capture key information about the machine's performance. The TC131 upright configuration offers an ergonomic design and allows for higher heating capacities and pump sizes. AEC has been synonymous with dependable temperature control for more than 60 years, and the TC100 family of temperature control units continue that tradition. Each are backed with technical support and expertise for your process heating needs, providing you with peace of mind when it comes to your facility. Get more from your production floor with an AEC temperature control unit. Contact your AEC representative or visit aecplastics.com to see how the TrueTemp TC100 family can be customized to your specifications.